Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro 11 from 2021, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card into this device. So before I get started, we'll need this thing, a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device somewhere in the box, so you can get it from there. And once you have it, you want to pop out the tray, which looks to be located on the same side where you have the volume keys. So let's call it right side, I guess. On the bottom, as you can see, once you push the tool in, the tray will pop out. And once you take the tray out, on here you can place your SIM card. So let's do that quickly, like so, and then insert it back into the device. There we go. It does give me a pin for the SIM card, so I'm going to quickly confirm it. And there we go. So that is how you'd insert your SIM card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.